don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to Amavenza TV. It's the Petro Premiership. London Pirates 1, Mamelodi Sundowns 2. I'm joined by the best chairman.
Yes, unjani awuthami?
Mnandi
awuthami. Mamela mana awuthami ne. Asicale ngokuba congratulate amaSundowns.
Sure.
I mean iwin. Yabo. But ngikutshela awuthami bekuyi cup call. Bese si confident kakhulu. You understand? And Petro it's a long run. You understand awuthami? And dominated le game le ama chances esibe nawo first half kube sawa pair ngabe sifera uthama Sundowns yeka i2 epaleni kwaba amagolo e2 labantu bebangekho understand kusho ukuthi imfethi chance abalitholile balisebenzisile nge2 goal asishaba skip you understand before ngichubeka sithibo sihlabahlaba lesinayo besijaja le game ubani gama laso eyakuhle yatsotsi ayasiyeka uthama Amarisnaile siyana mara isavenda kai aya siyakhe isithiba siyakhe asikhuluma ibhola bazothi kusasa sama tribalist asiyakhe hayi thingamngeni mamela sithiba uthama ilokhuzana iPetro saselanga uthama ukudliwa kwethu today akusho ukuthi siluzile you understand uthama and ukudliwa kwethu today we are still number 1 we are still leading Sundowns ne3 points abezemva kweSundowns ngisazobahlaba you understand uthama understand asithiba mina angeke ngithuso Mamela uthama makhuluma ngeChiefs ayikho la kuneSundowns nePirates mamela uthama ngisana amagame ay13 ngizwadlala ngiyabala ukuthi yiphezayo ini awuthama sisase ini la yabona nje mfana abafana bamele baswitche on bangabi comfortable kakhulu today sitholile World Cup call and mfethu bekuvele bekudingeka ukuthi sithole World Cup call because manje bese sirelaxile sitshela ukuthi stop ithawa uyangithola wena Sithibos thina sizobuya uthama kunanext okwamanje ngathi nje intwaneni zami zonke athi lucky bafana bami nidlalile angeke ngiloku ngithi ngiyabona ngiloku ngithi ngiyagxeka kuphi zidlalile zonke mara lentwana le umbuthumo mfana kagogo nawe mina ngiyakusupporta ntwana ngiyabona umsebenzi owenzayo ntwana lantwana le yani yaspana uthama mhlamba abaningi bayibheka ukuthi mele ikora amagoli lantwana isponsor akusukora amagoli kuphela yona noma hope badlala the same abantu ekumele bayofukuza bafuna ibhola bafaka amaphasi bahlupha idefense sikwazi ukuthola amagoli awuthama and then unenthajela uyabona today awuthama bekathunya ukuthi ayoba idonga uTito abe ne free roll but awuthama akambanga ngalendlela besifuna asinama excuse siluzile is fine we stay humble sizohlangana eOrlando Saturday sohlaba ihlathi bese ngitshela uBrad Dr Khumalo yalibona ihlathi lasePitori bolikhalela liyazamazama nakulishaya ibhakanini
uDr Marune floor